Greetings and salutations, fellow hackers. This is Zero Cool coming at you live from my computer room with an exciting episode on how to create your own Community Edition Kali Pond pad. Right now, I have the distro already installed and running successfully with an updated kernel, and I'm going to go ahead and assume that you are going to do this from step one from scratch. So what I'm going to do is let's just pretend that this is your tablet, your Nexus 7 tablet. This is a 2012. I think it's MEH307 370OT or something is the model number, but this is Wi-Fi only 16 gigabyte edition. So it's the cheapest one. You can get it on eBay for less than $100. So first thing that we're gonna do is you need to go online and you need to get the wugfresh Nexus root toolkit. Yeah, you need that. Of course, I already have it. Only takes a short while to download. It's totally free. So download that, install it, open it, and wait for that to open. And the very first thing that you do is you want to go and make sure that your tablet is over here. It's going to be doing this constantly, so you want to make sure that that's enabled, and then come over here and where it says flash stock unroot back to stock, that's what we're going to do that. And don't ever assume that you actually have it, even though I probably do. And for some reason, it seems to work best when you set it to 421 for this particular installation. So automatically download and all that. And then we're going to sit there and let that load. So I'm going to be showing you how to install the Community Edition of the Kali Pond pad with the updated kernel, which is going to allow you to have OTGY cable charging. So basically, it means you'll be able to have your TP-Link, this thing. You're going to be able to have this thing plugged in, and you're going to be able to charge it as well. And that's very handy, very useful. It took me quite a while to figure out how to get it to work, but I finally did get it to work, and that's what I'm going to show everyone how to do today. And it's a fairly simple process. Okay, so as soon as that loads, it should start doing stuff to the tablet. I'm just going to put it in the bootloader mode. Run a script or two. says backup important data. Oh, I should have probably mentioned you should not be doing this if you have any important data on your tablet. Yeah, I mean, you back up your data or transfer it to a different device. Okay, I'm just gonna do some more stuff. Goes through this process. My computer is pretty fast, and it's done this quite a few times, so this might take a bit longer on your machine, or it might go faster, who knows. I'm not just doing this for, for fun. This is actually necessary. You have to do this in order to make this installation work, because you need to have a completely clean installation of 421, which I think is jelly bean or something, maybe gingerbread, something, some sugar coated treat. I don't know, but yeah. The computer is thinking. The one thing I have not figured out how to do is to get the Google Play Store application installed on this. I've tried, but everywhere I go, it seems you have to put it into recovery mode. And after you put this distro on, it will not go into recovery mode. Maybe there's a way to do it. Who knows? Maybe there's another way to put GApps on there, but I don't know. Hopefully somebody can get some use out of this video, and then maybe if you're feeling up to it, leave me a comment to let me know how in the heck you were able to do that, if you were able to get the Google Play Store successfully installed on this community edition of Kali PondPad. So now stuff is happening. Press any key to exit. Okay. There's the any key. Oh, there it is. All right. Okay. Now we have the Nexus 7 tablet is loading into Jelly Bean, hopefully. Now what we're going to do is OEM, we could OEM lock it, but I don't really see the point. I've never bothered with it, and I've never had a problem, so we're going to skip that. We're just going to say, okay, it's flash stocked and unrooted, and we didn't lock it, so it's still unlocked. We don't need to go through the unlock process. So we're going to go ahead and root it, but, and here's the funny part, in order to do that, we have to go over here, we have to actually give this thing access to our Wi-Fi network. Okay. So now it's gonna it's gonna connect now. I'm just saying no, you don't know what a Gmail account is. We don't have one, we don't know what it is. Let us get past this crap. Nope. Next. Okay, now what you want to do is go into settings. You want to go down here to about tablet, and then go down to the build number. Hit that 7 times. And then you'll have developer options right there. Go ahead and hit that. And then go into allow USB debugging. Hit OK. Next, we want to go into settings. And then go into storage. And then hit that little button right there. Hit USB whatever. And switch from MTP to P2P. And then now we're ready to commence the rooting process. So now we go over here, close that, and then we go over to root, and do not do custom flash, that screws everything up. Okay, so now we're gonna root. This will take a little while. Bootloader. And I suppose in the meantime, we can go ahead and we can get the our ROM that we're going to flash to the Nexus 7 to replace the standard ROM. So things doing all kinds of funny stuff. So now we're going to go just go to Google and type Kali on pad. And we want the first thing that shows up by Binky Bear. We're going to download these 2 downloads right here. Both from Mega. Download. Those are going to take quite a while. My goodness. Okay, let's see if I already have that. Hopefully I do. Yes, I do. Thank goodness. Okay. So this is it right here. You wait for this file to download. The one up there at 5%. I don't have the patience to wait. I already have it downloaded, so we're just going to pretend that I waited. What is going on? Too much stuff is going on at once. Okay. Okay, so now it says that the rooting procedure is completed. So I'll hit OK. And to make sure of that, we're going to go over here to the Nexus 7, and we're going to, you'll know right away because you'll see this little super SU. That means if you see that app, that means that you are successfully rooted. Let's fix the brightness here. I hate how they always turn it way down on default. Okay, so now we can see what we're doing. We got SU going, super SU going, so this device is rooted. Now, okay, back to over here. We got the image from the Binky Bear website thing. These 2 bad boys, and we're going to take this, So what I got here, this RAR file is this thing. Kali PonPad 17th September tar BZ to 1.18 gigabytes. And the image file is boot Kali version 6.image. So what we're going to do is they're both on the desktop. To make this easy, we're going to make a new folder, and we're going to extract the RAR file into the folder. Okay? Okay. And we're going to let that do its thing. I don't think we need the browser anymore. We'll close that. Okie dokie. Yep. Come on. Excellent. Okay. So, open up a new folder, and you have Kali Pon. Now, tunnel down, dig down through Team Win, Recovery Project, through backups, through all this stuff, until you get to Kali Pon again. Then you have all this stuff. Now what you want to do here is look for the image file, .img. Where is it? It's not here. What did I do wrong? Where is it? Oh, no, I was wrong. Okay. So it's in Kali Pon and then PonPad build script. And you see this Kali Pon boot? Yeah, go ahead and right click on that and then delete it. Get rid of it. You don't want that. That's not what you want. You want to go over here to this boot Kali v6 2 image. You want to, well, it says 2 because I already have one over there, but anyways, bring it over here, drop it into that, and that's all you have to do. Now you have WWII cable support ready for your image. Okay, so now we're going to go over here, and we're going to go to, and we're going to click Restore, and you want to click Restore an Android Backup with Custom Recovery. You need to be unlocked and rooted in order for this to work. Okay. And now we're going to go and we're going to go to the desktop. Where are we at? Click on new folder, PonPad, TWRP, backups, and that's the one you want. And then hit select folder. Don't change any of these, don't click any of these boxes, leave it how it is. Hit confirm operation, hit OK. And at this point, this is going to take a really, really, really long time. I'm talking like 10, 15, maybe even 20 minutes. And the Nexus root toolkit will crash in the process. It will crash at the very end of the process. But that's okay, because it does, in fact, install the Kali PonPad on the device successfully with WWII cable support. it works. It just takes a really long time, and you can't, like, you kind of have to be patient. You have to sit here, watch your device, and make sure the process goes smoothly. Uh, Eventually, this thing will boot into the Kali Pongpad distro, and you don't have to touch it or do anything. You just have to sit and wait and be patient. And that's it. That's all it is. If somebody figures out how to put the Google Play Store app on this, please let me know in the comments, or make a video response, or just somehow let me know. I really appreciate it. Also, if this doesn't work, then try going through the process of flashing it back to stock, and then actually OEM lock it. But I didn't. That's the one thing I didn't do, because I skipped that step before and it didn't matter. So if this doesn't work, try doing that. And good luck.